Okay.
Captain Price, this is 5 Delta 6. We're clearing the east wing, heading for base security.
Okay, ay hindi ko nalagay yung the finale episode.
Copy that, sir.
Hindi ko nalagay. The finale episode. Patapos na to. Konting kembot na na.
Yankee 6 reporting in. We're meeting with heavy resistance in the south wing. They've locked down our access point over here. Over.
Roger, Yankee 6. Regroup with Team 2 and help them gain control of base security. Over.
Roger that, sir. We're pulling back to regroup with Team 2. Yankee 6 out.
Kawalya. Uy. Wait lang. Eh, ano ko lang. Walang iba. Walang iba. Good afternoon. Okay. Hello, Kanizers. Welcome to the channel. Okay. Wait lang, share ko lang Call of Duty 4 or Modern Warfare. Saka lang lumabas yung saka lang lumabas yung abuse. Tapos wait. Okay. Okay na. Tapusin na. May timer kasi ito kaya nahirapan ako
Captain Price, we're sending your team the abort codes you'll need to auto-destruct the missiles in flight. You have 11 minutes before those missiles reach the eastern seaboard. Over.
11 minutes.
Copy that.
Okay. Nice. You have 11 minutes. Okay. Oh no. Disconnect. Disconnect. Hindi, okay na. Ay, shucks. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Mamadali ako, kaya huwag kayong ay yun, tapos siya sa sarili niyang granada. Gamit kaya ako ano ba yung secondary ko? Okay. Not bad. Ay, hindi pala pwede. 8 minutes na lang Uy, Dave Contreras, okay place, okay lady. Welcome back sa Same Things for Like. Da? for liking that. Sayang wala nang gulong dito. Yung gulong yung hinahanap eh. Mga to, parang hindi namamatay. Wala lang time. Parang meron dito. Ito ko data. Atras. Shucks. Wala nang time. Tagal mag-recover. Dito na nga lang, pwede ba dito? Shucks, 6 minutes. Ay, sabi meron pala rito sa gilid. Ay, lagi. Akala ko kakampi ko na to, nauna na. Oh, bala. Meron kasi dito sa likod eh. Oh no. Minutes. Layo pa naman ng ano. Hirap ako dito. Ayoko talaga may mga timer pag ganito. Parang yung Medal of Honor sa PSP. Yung huling stage. Ganito rin eh. May timer tapos ang daming kalaban. At ang malala nito, mauubusan ka ng bala. Kaya puro iwas-iwas lang. Eh di ba ang hirap mag-navigate dun? Kasi triangle X circle yung gagamitin mo pang camera view. Dahil sa PSP walang right analog eh. Nakakainis nga yung PSP. Sabi na eh. Hindi ako makaalis eh. Di gilid sana ako eh, hindi nakaalis. Gagi. Pinatuan ng granadang wala. Gamit na nga ako nung ano ba yun? Pinapuruan yung mga Ay. Wrong timing yung reload. Dapat nagpalitan baril. Ay, nako. Nahirapan dito. Dati hindi naman. Naka-easy mode lang naman ako. Ang bilis maubos ng bala nito. Palit nga ako. Ay, sorry. Captain Price ka pala. Pangit gamitin ito. Maangat yung ano. Pang. Okay na yung bato. Kaso ang bilis maubos ng bato. Nagtatawanan mo ako. Ay, si Captain Price pala. Lagi ko na pagkakamalang kalaban ng ano. Uy, nasa last ka na pa. Oh, patapos na. Patapos na last stage. Thanks for liking the stream. Gamepot Gentot Mansana ng Genpot Gaming. Welcome back sa stream. Thanks for liking. Eto nga eh. May timer kasi. Ayoko talaga na may timer talaga. Naalala ko yung Medal of Honor sa PSP. Ganito yun eh. Last stage din. May timer. Ang daming ano. Ang mahirap sa PSP. Yung view, camera view. Ano, square, triangle, circle, X yung gagamitin mo. Look. Meron dito. Anyway. Ano ba yan? Di pa napuno. Nagasugod eh. May timer kasi, kaya kailangan magmadali. May parang bumato na naman. Wag mo lang isipin yung oras, ang mahalaga, enjoy ka lang. Eh di hindi natapos to. Saluhin mga bala. Enjoy lahat. Enjoy saluhin yung mga bala. Ay sorry. Pati si Captain Price nababaril ko. Keep moving. Ikaw kaya dito. Keep moving daw eh. Kini-keep moving nyo ko eh, ang konti namin. Galing sa likod, visit. Ito yung pinakamahirap eh. Balik na naman dun sa ano, kanina. Ay hindi, yun. Buti dito nag-spawn. Wala siyang ano eh, biglang lingon ano. Buti pa sa Resident Evil may biglang lingon sa likod eh. Ay! Yung down X biglang lingon sa likod. Tawa ko dun sa wag intindihin yung oras eh. Kung pwede nga lang. Pa to. Shotgun. Ay, meron, oo nga pala, dalawa pala yun. Ang favorite ko dyan yung Alcatraz pati sa Snow. Yung ano, Alcatraz. Ako yung ano, sa Ukraine yung gumagapang. Yung may raming tangke. Yung nakakakaba. Pero ang hirap nun. Gagi, you were killed by a grenade. As I catch a grenade for ya. Hindi ka makadiretso kasi ano, meron sa mga gilid. Gamit nga ako nito. Ayun, tanga po. Mali. Ikaw mauubos. Ayan. Wala dyan yung daan. What? Lagi umangat. Wala na, 6 minutes na. Pinutusok talaga. Ay, nagulat ako kala Captain Bro. Yun, umabot. Ay, hindi umabot.
Captain Price, this is Gaz. We're taking control of base security. What's your status? Over.
Gaz, we're in position. Open the outer door to launch control.
Ah, yung sa may sniper. Oo, yung ano, may Ferris wheel.
Almost there.
Yung may Ferris wheel na ano. Yung may gulong. Hello kay Ken's Game Space. Thanks for hearting the stream. Welcome to the stream. Ken's Game Space. Follow niyo si Ken's Game Space.
Oh, you gotta be serious.
Oo, yung may gulong na ano, nagtago. May Ferris wheel. Visit yun eh, no? Wala, ang tagal. 4 minutes na lang, oh. Checkpoint reach. May natakbo ka. Bilis maubos ng bala nito. Oh, at di pa sila sumusugod. Hintay nila ako. More minutes niya eh. Huwag ka daw humarang, mababaril puwet mo. Papupwetan ako ng bonggang-bong. Ay, sorry! Kakampi pala. Sergeant, sorry. Uy, good afternoon kay Jerome ko. Na hindi ko marinig kagabi, sarap. Joke lang. Welcome back to the stream.
Preparing to
Thanks for
breach. Soap,
liking
plug the
it.
explosives. Go.
Okay, ayoko niya. Nasaan na? Ay. Kabwisit. Naligaw. Na. Ano nga ba to? Ah, ito. Yan, tara.
Go, go, go! 3 minutes. Move it in.
Ay, Sergeant. Sorry. Kakampi pala. Naggala muna yung bida kahit may timer. Nag-explore ba? Nag-explore. Kasi baka may makuhang potion. Or Phoenix down. Elixir. Gano'n. Ay, sayang. Di ko na.
So, enter the code. We'll watch for enemy reinforcements.
Mangyayari. Upload the codes. Wala na. 2 minutes.
Stand by for confirmation.
Ayun. Pa-ending na to.
Stand by.
Nagkala-gala muna.
Bravo 6, all warheads have been confirmed destroyed in flight. We got a ton of debris, but most of it's landing in the ocean.
Eh, Philippine. Ay,
security feed. It's a can. He's taking off.
ayan yung sa taas.
Captain Price, this is Gaz at the security station. They came in by trucks. I'm thinking we can use all of these to get the hell out of here. I'm sending you the
Walang
coordinates to the
flashlight.
vehicle depot.
Roger that.
Paano
We'll meet you at the
flashlight
vehicle depot. Out. Everyone follow me. Let's go.
All teams, this is command. Recommend you exfil from the area
Yan, wala nang
immediately.
timer.
Large numbers of
Pwede
hostile
na ako
forces are
mag-
converging on your position.
La 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 la. Ayan, bunny hop.
We got company. Enemy reinforcements moving.
Taray, may company. Sana all. We got company. Ako nga. Tindahan lang. Wala eh. Company pa kaya. Ay. Ano ba yun? At least wala ng timer. Okay na. Babato ka pa ha. Granada yan. Tingnan tayo. Quick. Huwag tayo magmadali. Wala naman time. Ay, gagi. Bumato pa. Oh. Tamaan. La 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 la. What's this? AK 47. What's this? What's this? Puro AK. Puro Alan K. Wala. La 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 la. Gapang. Snake. Solid snake.
This is Gaz. We're taking some fire up here at the vehicle depot. Where the hell are you guys?
We're coming up the lift.
Secret
Stand by.
guys.
You know, sir, I wouldn't mind getting a shot at the cave.
Yeah, we'll get in line, mate. He doesn't find us first.
Bulaga. Diyan muna kayo. Ano meron dito? Office. May computer oh. Computer oh. Taray, may patayo. 2007 may ganito na pala. Ang alam ko puro mga CRT lang yung computer nun ah. Ay hindi, kakaganto pala kami nun. 2007 nag-aaral ako sa Makati. May ganun na nga pala. Flat screen na pala yung monitor namin. May secret oh. Gala-gala. Ay. kalaban.
Alright, get in the trucks. Let's go.
You heard the man. Move.
Yay! Ending na. Okay, galing. Buti umabot. Wait lang.
Primary exfil point has been compromised. Proceed to secondary extraction south of bridge. Enemy presence substantial.
It's just too
Enemy.
hot, man. But room
Is
temperature?
biglang naging kakap.
Please, a beer should be ice cold.
A lager, maybe. Or a glass of water like you drink. But a pint of stout.
I'm gonna have
The
to
end
screw you
na.
out before we get back
Ano,
stateside.
end stream. Tapos panibago ulit.
First. And I'm buying.
Well,
Para
at least the
mamayang
ball
gabi.
didn't
Iba naman.
hit.
Siniksik. Game over. Game over. Title. Checkpoint reach.
Enemy truck, 6 o'clock.
Kalaban ba to?
Wait, this is Bravo 6.
Kampiyan.
Helicopter over.
Bravo 6, the bird has been delayed. ETA 15 minutes.
Not good enough, faceplate. We'll be dead in 10. Truck moving over the left.
Nawala yung secondary weapon kong one. Magre-reload pa rin pala kahit nagpalit kami. Ba't hindi yung driver yung target? Para...
Hostile with an RPG. Take him down.
Nasaan? May RPG? Ay, oo nga, no? First person to, paano nagka-RPG?
Another RPG on that truck. That's all company. Troop truck, close your door.
Hindi sumasabog.
There's an RPG on the truck. Open fire.
Ay na. Taray. Yan, RPG daw.
Pick up an RPG and fire on that hive.
Shucks. Dapat pa ganito. Ay, mali.
Hide at 9 o'clock.
Nakulak. Nine o'clock, tanghali na. 9 o'clock daw, tanghali na. Eto, 12, di ba? 12, 3 yan eh. 9 o'clock dito eh. Okay.
The hive's bugging off.
Depende yun sa kung saan ako naka. Walang yan, nag-RPG, hindi matamaan. Oh no! Ito yung ano, marami. Sa tulay. Ito na yung ending. Ito na yung pinaka-ending talaga. Yung sa tulay. Ito na yun. Game over. Ulit. Naalala ko na to. Nalilito kasi ako dahil yung sa Call of Duty sa 2 and 3. Yung ending nun. Ending nun 3 ang naalala ko. Ito yung sobrang daming kalaban. Uubusan ako ng bala rito. Ayun, hanggang ma-survive.
The area may be able to assist, but we cannot confirm at this time. Base played out.
A useless wanker.
Guys, give me a sit rep on those helicopters.
Captain Price.
Hindi ko kasi na-take down yung ano eh. Yung helicopter.
This is Sergeant Kamarov. I understand you and your men could use some help.
It's bloody good to hear from you, mate.
Stand by. We are almost there. ETA 3 minutes. Come
Hello, pag naubusan. Wow, what? Oh, dramatic. Dramatic approach. What happened? Oh no! No! Oh no! Captain Price! Oh no! Si ano, Sarkaev, ayan, oh, parang Squid Game. Checkpoint. Ayan na. Ihagis yung baril. Nangyari, handgun lang ang nakatapos sa lahat. Handgun ang nagligtas. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang handgun. Sa dulo ng walang handgun. Kaya't handgun na yun.
You are going to be alright, my friend.
Kamarov pala, di Makarov. Kamarov, Sergeant Kamarov. Makarov, ano Makarov? Kamarov pala.
Заберите его отсюда! Быстро, давай! Мы должны доставить его в госпиталь немедленно!
Hello? English, please. Nire-revive si ano,
The Russian government released a statement
si
today
Price.
confirming a series of nuclear
Price Range.
tests in central Russia. Although world leaders were quick to denounce the action, Russian officials
Si ano to, diba? Soap McTavish.
well within established
Sabon.
UN protocols.
Ang bida sabon.
Was received from the ultra-nationalist parties, where rumors of a possible leadership struggle have just begun to surface. In other news, the search for a ship lost in the Bering Strait due to a
Unang
major
panahon.
storm has been called off.
Yay, tapos na. The end na. Delete this game na. Download na ng bago.
Clear to engage all of those. Copy. Smoke. Cabo. We got a vehicle.
Excuse. Okay, ang aga kong mag-end stream. Pero, susundan ko kagad ng isa pang stream. Kasi iba pa para mamayang gabi. Yung ano naman. Dahil dapat kagabi pa yun eh. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-stream kagabi. Wala kasing tao sa sala. Sa baba. Hindi ako makaakit dito sa room. Hindi ko naman mababa yung computer kasi tinatamad ako magbitbit dahil ibabalik ko rin dito sa taas pagdating ng umaga.
Personnel. Clear to engage all of those.
Ayun, kaya hindi ako nakapag-stream kagabi. Counter-terrorist win. Okay, let's move back. Tapos na, wala naman nanonood.
These guys are going to town. Crew, go ahead and smoke them.
Sayang, di ko napanood.
Right there, tracking. Roll it in. This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel. Roger that. Returning to base.
Ayun. The end na. Yung 2 naman, tsaka 3. Kahit natapos ko na. Ang hindi ko lang, ang in-stream ko lang lately na hindi ko pa natatapos. Yung kanina. Yung ano, tawag doon, Bionic Commando. Pero yung mga Kingdom Hearts na na-stream ko, dati natapos ko na, pati yung Legend of Zelda, natapos ko na dati. Pati yung Max Payne, Castlevania, natapos ko na dati. Hindi ko lang natapos na i-stream ko yung ano. Helicopter, helicopter, yeah. And strip. I follow the dragon. Ay, may kanta? Baka maka-copyright ako. May kanta ba?
Variety is the next big thing for us. We're going deep and we're going hard.
Tapos na malabo yung camera.
Mind and time, you'll find my lines combine and entwine, underline, rhyme divine. No time you go against me. 249, lift you swiftly. Front lines in it with me. Think I'm lying? Come and get me. Hot Sergeant Briggs reporting for duty. Some say this belong in the
Wala, may kanta. Teka lang.
Don't soil your drawers cause it's deep in his heart, bitch.
Sorry, makaka-copyright ako. Inop ko muna yung ano, audio. May kanta eh. Galing ano, parang Eminem. Tinanggal ko muna eh. Makaka-copyright ako dyan sa kanta na eh. Wala nang kinikita eh. Wala nang viewer. Makaka-copyright pa. Wala nang kinikita eh. Wala nang viewer. Makaka-copyright pa. Okay, steady lang. May lalabas diyan yung picture yata yun. Kung as far as I remember. May picture yata na parang ano, ipapakita dyan. Parang ano nila, group photo. O dun sa Modern Warfare 3 lang yata yung, ay, Modern Warfare 4, 3. Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare 3. Ang gulo, no? Yan na. Tapos na yung mute kanta. Okay na. Hindi ko na menu.
deep and we're going hard. Surely you can't be serious. I'm serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Yan. May parang ano, pa-teaser sa part 2. Pero pwede na ako mag-cheats. Cheat code. Ang VIP. Taray, no? Mayroong extrang pa-teaser.
Weapons free.
Nasa airplane.
Tango down in Section 1 Alpha.
O nga, ito nga yun. Yung part 2.
X-ray down.
May paganto pa sila yun.
Hostile neutralized. X-ray down. Keep moving. Tango down.
Okay. Ay, may timer. May timer ulit. Shucks, walang anong granada. Yun. One minute. 1 minute. Go, go, go.
Hostile neutralized. Tango down.
Reload kasi na balik. Wala, 29 seconds. Wala ng time.
Keep moving. Now we can fire up here. We're looking for a civilian.
Shucks. Yun. Sakto.
Someone's on the boat. And we don't have much time. We've got to go now. Roger that. Prepare to breach.
Ay, exit the plane. Paano yung hostage? Exit the plane. Ow. Ito ba yung una ng part 2? Hindi ko maalala. Ay, yun kay Dave Blackson ng Trip Ship. Welcome back sa stream. Thanks for liking the stream. Ito yung una ng part 2 yata. Heartbreakers and Life Takers. Thanks for playing. Tapos na. Yan, na-the end ko na. Tapos na. Thanks for sharing the stream na rin. Oh, congratulations! You have unlocked the arcade mode and cheats. Cheats are available from the in-game post menu arcade. Ah, talaga? Mission select. Halimbawa, tingnan ko nga kung gagana yung cheat. Regular. Notify happy streaming trophy, daan lang, medyo busy pa. Ah, ganun. Sige, sige, salamat sa pagdaan. End stream ko na rin kasi ito tapos na. Mag-i-stream ulit ako ng ano maya-maya. Ng Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Kasi para mamaya, ibang game na. Option, cheats. Ano to? Photo negative. Super contrast. Ngik, ang pangit ng mga cheats. Ay, ang pangit. Para saan to? Kaya yun. Cheat ba to? Hindi naman nakatulong. Pangit palalo. Okay na. Extreme ko na. Teka, pangit. Ano kaya yung cheat na tong walang kwenta? Ano Nawar? Nawar, of black and white. LA Noir. La Noire. Noir. Black and white lang. Cheat ba to? Pangit naman ang cheat dito. O kaya yun nag-black and white lang. Cheat ba yun? La Noire. Anyway. Okay. Wala na. Tapos na. Mamaya ulit. Maya. Standby lang. 4 PM. 4 na pala. O, pagpalagay natin 4 o 5. Mga ganun. CCR lang ako tapos change game na. Okay, bye. See you later. See you in a minute. CR lang sa palit ng game. Iihi lang.